Fun fact, this clock tower was built here in Bexleyheath in 1912 at the start of World War I and has stood the test of time to this very day, which is nowhere near as impressive as Back to the Future's 1885 clock tower, which survived being struck by lightning and countless many times was saved by fundraisers, but still impressive. INSTAVOLT is a car charging service here in the UK. There is only 600 of them at the moment. Highly on demand electric cars need to one day replace those pollutant petrol cars. And by 2030, this will become a reality. Much like all commuting evolutions, for a greener future, everybody needs to switch to electric vehicles and get rid of those pollutant petrol cars. One great thing about electric cars, INSTAVOLT gets their electric from wind turbines that generates power naturally. And for that much needed greener future that we so desperately desire, this is the future. Much like your mobile phone that uses a certain kind of charging cable compatible for your phone and your phone only, the same goes for electrical cars. Now this one in particular is a very low voltage which charges at a slower speed. The first pump didn't have a safety cap on it, unlike this one, which is at a higher voltage and charges your car twice as fast. You can also charge your car at home due to the low voltage, but it will take a lot longer, so you may have to leave it on all night. However, this charger in my hand is called Chimo, and it will charge your car at 45 minutes, that's just before it goes flat, and 1 hour on a flat battery, unlike a standard type, which is above this one, that will charge your car at just a little bit longer, but at such a lower cost.
It's just really nice, fucking shit, take two, 200. It's just really nice to see that everything is going back the way they were, under new restrictions of course, which makes way for a safer future for you and your loved ones.
We have even found a way of how to make money out of those used throwaway bog roll tubes. On my travels, I noticed that the pubs are opening all back up again, so I have to be good to myself. What do I go and do? Fell straight through those doors. Upon arrival, they give you two choices: scan your QR code or fill out this form with your name, contact number, date of visit and time of arrival. I had to practice my writing, so what do I go and do? Fill out the form, of course.
Oh yeah, I like a 100, thank you. Look at that. Look at that, it's not even filled to the brim. I'm not one to complain. I will just cut the pint in half. I ordered a pint, not half a pint.
I hope you liked my video just as much as I enjoyed making it for you. I love to entertain, I love to teach people, so if it done all that for you, that's job done for me. If you'd like to leave a comment and all that, subscribe, great, thank you so much.